God's been extremely kind thanks to the Kerala Association. I have to be really grateful to the selectors also for giving an opportunity. It's a great initiative taken by the association, and thanks to BCCI, it's been 7 long years, and I've been training really hard, and looking forward. It's going to be an amazing President's Cup, and trying. I'll keep giving my best because this is something which I waited for 7 long years.
After 7 long years, you are in the field now. You're going to play from next month. Do you have any change in your bowling?
Honestly, the last time I really bowled fast was 2011 during the World Cup, and after in 2013 when I was playing the IPL, I was not that fast because I had just finished my surgery. But especially in the last 3-4 years, I've realized that with the strength and with your inspiration, you get inspired by a lot of people. I just run in and bowl fast now. For some reason, I'm enjoying cricket much more than what I used to do. I was very fortunate to play for the country and win 2 World Cups. I think I'm the only fast bowler who won 2 World Cups as a fast bowler, T20 and 50 over. But that all happened with a lot of hard work. But right now, as you must have seen when I practice, I think every ball, every moment is important for me. It was never like that before. So I will, especially at 37 to 45, whatever way I can contribute to the game, I will try. And first class and competitive cricket for the next 5 years. That's the aim. But my aim will be to take it one day at a time, one training at a time. First match, second match, let's see, one ball at a time. That is better.
How much are you confident about it?
I am very confident. I think I am fitter than in 2011 when I played the World Cup. So I think that shouldn't stop me. Then it's all depends on the way in a humble way I can say is I hope I get wickets, but I think right now it's all Virat Kohli's style. So I think the way Virat Kohli says is let me see if you can bat. We have that much good fast bowling attack from. I think I am just looking forward to bowl fast and get wickets.
As compared to your career, we know that it is a small tournament, but do you see this as a fresh start?
It's not a small tournament, first of all. I think, it all depends when you play a lot of matches. If you ask me, this is going to be a big tournament for me because I haven't played cricket. I'm getting an opportunity to play with all the first class players, and few players have played, IPL also. So it will be great to, share some experience and learn from them. A lot of youngsters' attitude is so good. There is so much to learn. So as long as my dad always said, as long as you are ready to learn and willing to learn, you will just keep growing. So I rate this tournament big because it's the first time Kerala Cricket Association is doing something like this, and they are getting an opportunity, for showing their skills. A lot of players don't get these opportunities, so it's a great platform for a lot of youngsters as well as people who have at my age or even plus 25. So it's a great platform to score and get back to the Kerala squad, and maybe that will help you to get to the national squad in future.
How do you rate your captain, Sachin Tendulkar?
He's brilliant. He's surely one of the most talented cricketers and captains in Kerala. And my favourite captain used to be Rafi Vincent Gomez. He's a selector now for Pondicherry. So I used to always enjoy playing under. It doesn't matter which the captain was. So it was more of whatever jersey you're wearing, make sure you give your very best.
You're on 37, right? Players like Bradford played World Cup in 40s.
But he was a spinner, so I am not looking at age. I will just keep bowling because I missed this game so much. So the only thing which will stop me will be me. So I don't want me to stop myself. So I'll just keep going. I am bowling well. I am batting well also. Even fielding wise, because there is nothing much to do, I have improved my fielding skills also. So I'm looking forward to every game. I'm not saying straight away I'm going to come and like Muhammad Ali says, I'm not going to say things like that. But yes, my humble request to everybody will be to please support and be with me, because I need those blessings rather than challenges. I'm looking at this an opportunity, not as a challenge. I want to learn as much as possible because I'm sure I can contribute to not just youngsters. Once I retire also, I can use these 3-4 years experience and share it with the new generation. And I'm sure Kerala is going to see a lot of cricketers playing, not just IPL, even for the country. I'm very confident that I won't be the first and last to play the World Cup or win 2 World Cups. I genuinely hope a lot of Malayali cricketers in future, even the current lot, get an opportunity to play for the country, and if they really work hard, they can win not just 1, 2, they can even win 3 World Cups, because T20 and 50 over World Cup happened. So I just hope, a lot of Malayalis take up the game and make sure, they just don't give up. They can achieve.
From tomorrow, Australian series is going to start. What's your take on our team?
It's a brilliant team, and Australia is not the same all Australian team. So I wish the Indian cricket team the very best. Plus Sanju, especially being a Malayali, and he's done extremely well, especially in this Corona layoff. I hope he continues his form. Australian wicket should really help Sanju, because it comes to the bat, and if he really focuses hard, I'm sure he can he can play all formats, not just one day in T20, but he should be in the Test squad as well. Because Dhoni also was an explosive batsman, but he ended up playing more than 90 plus Test matches. So I am very confident if Sanju channelizes his energy and focuses on what he should be doing, I am very confident Sanju has got a long way to go and he can be there. Never come to Kerala to play Ranji or one day or T20. We will take care of that. Sanju, you please play in the national squad, and hopefully a lot of youngsters and me through the side, maybe I will also perform and come there and meet you.
We have 2 young pace bowlers, Saini and Thakur. How you?
No, I believe Ishant will be missed maybe because he had a lot of experience. Bumrah is there and Shami. There's a great. I don't know about Thakur. I mean, he's really improved a lot. Very impressive. He can bat also. Saini is fast, but I love Bumrah and Shami the most, and I wish the other 2 bowlers the very best, because the competition is going to be really high.
Whom you thank you?
I have to thank every individual, especially T.S. Shekhar sir, and T.S. Shekhar sir was the MRF Peace Foundation coach, as well as he's in regular touch with me. He guided me a lot, and Ramji Srinivasan sir, again, finance trainer of India when we won the World Cup. We are in regular touch, and every individual, I'm very fortunate to get a lot of help from a lot of cricketers, as well as coaches and family, friends, everybody. I think I'm blessed. I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful to every opportunity and every person I've met who have always encouraged me.